right, so we just got this in the mail. It's a security camera, anywhere, anytime, all about your smarter security. Here's the stats on it. You can see how it works. This side here, so you can download the app. Let's take a look at it. We'll unbox it. And this is supposed to be very easy to use. We'll find out in a minute. There's some accessories. And the camera's right here. Also comes with that. All right, here it is. Cha-ching! Okay, you gotta remove that. All right, looks pretty simple, right? There's its charging port on the back. Usually when you get these, they're already charged. It's a USB-C, so I'm imagining that this has a USB-C in it. And this is interesting because usually when you get these, so this is a regular USB to USB-C. So this we would plug into that, and this we plug into a block. Guess what? This sucker comes with a block. Now that is unusual. Most of the time, these guys don't give you a block. So we got a block. That's kind of cool. Let's go ahead and pull that off of there. And as you can see, this one would go in here, like that. And then this one, we would put right in the back here, like that. And then we just got to plug that into the wall. You follows me? All right, let's set that to the side for now. It does come with some other stuff. This here, you would, I guess you could tie it into a wall or something so that, secure so somebody can't steal it. And it's got a little thing on the bottom so that you can lock it in. You follows me? And that's pretty much everything that comes in the box. All right, so let's go ahead and get rid of this. All right, so we've got to download the app, all right? So let's open this up. Open up our camera. Okay. Let's go to photo. And let's go ahead and we'll do some scannage here. We'll get the app. All right. Bam. Open. All right, let's see which app it is. It says DZEES Home. All right, whatever, let's get it. So now it's got to download. Oh, look, I got to do the double thing here, which means they're just absorbing all of my data from my phone, probably. I don't know. I don't really care. So we'll just let that, oh, we got to open it. Bam, done. There it is, DZEES. Okay, allow. All right, agree. Okay, I didn't read that. It's probably horrible. Device management. Manage multiple devices. Okay, yeah. All right, let's get that. Sign up for a new account or sign in. All right, so we got to sign up for an account. Let me do that. All right, so I got to do all this stuff. You guys know how to sign up for accounts, right? Okay, I'm going to do it, and you guys relax. All right, so apparently they've sent a verification code after I filled out an email and a username. So now I got to find it in that in my Gmail account. See if I can remember the 5 digits. I'm not, this is like a memory game. All right, we're back in, so we got to go. All right, so now I got to, I got to do a password. This is such bullshit. All right, so I put some password in there. Let's see if it works. All right, congratulations. You have successfully registered. Add a new device. All right, so now I think we've got to turn it on. So let's go ahead and press it. That's the universal on button there. So now when I try to load this up, it's telling me I got to go to Bluetooth. I got to go to settings to turn Bluetooth on. So I'm hitting settings here. Opens up my Bluetooth. I'm going to click on it. And now it's going to search for the device. I don't know if it's going to find this. I think we may have to plug it in. Yeah, I don't think this camera or this security camera has a battery in it. And I think for it to be recognized by our phone and the app, we may have to plug all that stuff in, the USB-C and the block. So let's do that. All right, let's go ahead and we'll get out of there. Set this down. Okay, we're going to have to charge this thing. All right. So what I'm going to do is we're going to undo this. We're going to let it charge for an hour or two. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in here. Make sure you get it all the way snapped in. And then I'm just going to bring it right over here to this plug. Okay, here we are. I'm going to plug it in, and I'm not seeing anything on here. It's not giving me any indication that it's charging. We've got it in there. Oh, look here. Oh, and now it's moving. Oh, look at that. Okay, so something's happening now. Let's see if I can. Let's see how far I can pull this thing. Oh, because this is a long cord. Look at that. So I've got it here, right? I got it all the way over here so that we can do it. Let's take a look and see what we got going on here. Okay, now I think we can get on the web, right? Let's move it over. I heard a sound. I saw a light. Okay, good. Next step. Allow. Okay, allow. Okay, I guess we could just hit that. All right. Allow while using app. Oh, look, I got to put the password in. Okay, so I put the thing in for I'm not going to show you guys my password for my network. I'm just going to hit it. Oh, shit, look at that. It comes up and it says confirm. All right, join, got it. Okay, we can join, got it. Join. All right, unable to join the network, okay. All right, keep the phone about 6, okay, we gotta do that. Okay, so that read that, okay. Once the connection is successful, you will be automatically redirected to the next step. Wow, okay, I think we're being redirected. New devices found. Register it in iCloud. Initialize service. Okay. Okay. Okay, devices smart. I'm going to just put, for right now, I'm just going to put living room. And then we'll go next step. Let's get started. All right, it's checking whatever that is. Confirm your Wi-Fi signal strength. No signal. Next step. It's plugged in. It's plugged in. Plugged in. Next. This is ridiculous. Next. 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 You're all done. Finish. All right, no thanks. All right. Continue with free plan. Firmware is required to be, okay, update. 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 Now they're stealing everything off my thing. During the upgrade, the device may restart several times. All right, I'm just going to speed up this part where we're downloading this firmware, so I don't want to bore you guys. Okay, firmware successfully upgraded, so that's good. Now what? Let's get the thing working, man. Reconnect. All right, look, here we are. Okay, it's working. We're in like Flynn. How do you guys like that? Here we have, look, we can move it around. Watch. Okay, you got it? So watch, I'm going to move it around. If I press this, it goes up. You see that? I press this, it goes down. I press this, it goes to the side. Press this, it goes to the other side. I can speak. Hey, what's up? What's happening? Oh, I gotta hold it. Hey, allow. Hey, what's going on? All right, so you can talk through it. That's kind of cool. So you could say, hey, what's up? What are you doing?
It's kind of cool. So you could say, hey, what's up? What are you doing? It's kind of cool. So you could say, hey, what's up? What are you doing? It's kind of cool. So you could say, hey, what's up? What are you doing? It's kind of cool. So you could say, hey, what's up? What are you doing?
The hell's that? All right, so I just turned the sound off because that was ridiculous. I don't know what the hell was going on there. But anyway, you can see that it's, you know, it's definitely working. I guess I could take a picture, you know, so I might have saved it to an album. Down here is the library, so I guess, let's see if there's anything. There's nothing in there. Let's go back to home. Let's go to play. So now it's connected. There's more stuff. Motion tracking. Motion tracking is detected. The camera will automatically track. Okay, let's do that. See, look at, I don't know, it's tracking something. Oh, yeah, there it is. Hey, I'm over here. Apparently it's picking up the fan. Let's turn that off. Let's turn that off. Let's come back over here. All right, there we go. All right, enable alarm. Oh, so you can put an alarm on it too. You follows me? The library really does. Well, look, we got one 10-second video. If we want to play it, I think we just press it. Let's see if there's anything. There's nothing in there. Let's go back to home. Let's go to play. So now it's connected. There's more stuff. All right, so that's kind of cool. It did a 10-second intervals. Tells you the date and everything. Let's go back to home. Let's go to home. All right, so we're back on home, and we just, if we want to watch it, I guess we just hit that. And then look, there it is. It's working. So I'm just kind of showing you around here. You know, you can see stuff. Okay, so we got it working. We did it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.